Hello, we are cutie kids.
Mark's family was always busy. His parents worked hard, and his little sister Emma needed attention. Mark often played video games while his parents did chores. One day he noticed how tired they looked and wondered if he could help. Mark decided to start small. He put away his toys, set the table for dinner, and helped Emma with her shoes. His mom smiled. "Thank you, Mark. That really helps." He felt proud and realized that even small things made a big difference. Mark asked his dad to teach him how to fold clothes. At first it was tricky, but he got better with practice. "You're a great helper," his dad said. Mark realized that helping wasn't just work. It was a way to take care of his family. One Saturday, Mark had an idea. "Let's play music while we clean," he said. His family danced and sang while sweeping, folding, and organizing. Chores felt less like work and more like fun. Mark asked his mom if he could help cook dinner. She showed him how to wash vegetables and mix ingredients. "Cooking together makes it more special," she said. Mark enjoyed learning and felt proud to help. Emma struggled to put away her toys. Instead of playing alone, Mark helped her clean up. "You're the best big brother," she giggled. Mark realized that helping others made them happy, and that made him happy too. One evening, Mark saw his parents relaxing while he and Emma finished setting the table. "Working together makes things easier," his dad said. Mark smiled, knowing he had made a real difference. Helping at home became part of Mark's routine. He felt proud knowing he was making his family's life easier. "Everyone can help," he told Emma. "It makes our home a happier place."